Alright guys, we are back. We are working on a 2016 Buick Verano or something like that. It's a very pretty car. They have a common thing going on, which is these little buttons. They just don't want to stay fixed, so we're going to replace it today. Super simple process. I thought I needed some pry tools down there, but you can actually just grab it here and just boop, just pop that up. And you want to bring this up as high as you can, because there's a, yeah, there we go. Under here, there's a zip tie somewhere. Yeah, right there. So you're gonna pop that zip tie loose. So we'll just reach in my little trusty bag of tools. You don't need a lot to do this. You just need a screwdriver. This is that. And then I had a pair of baby wire cutters, which is right here. Those, and those are like 20 years old, by the way. They're awesome. And then I have my other ones, the normal size. And of course, you know, bag of zip ties. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this off right here. If we can get our hands on it. Just try not to cut up the leather. There we go. There. Like that. And just have to toss that down there for a moment. So what we're going to do now is just push this all the way back down. And that exposes that. So on the inside of these, there's a clip. It's somewhere around there. You can't get to it because of the fancy plastic, so I found out the only way to get it off is to kind of bust it off. But don't worry, we have a new pretty one right here. See? So this is actually going to pop on there once we get that off. Let's see if we can actually access the... No, we can't. Alright, this is where, you know, we're going to have to do a little caveman style and just start breaking this off. I mean, you're not saving none of this anyway, so. Just get in there, peel it down like a banana. And look, there's that clip right there. You see that? That's what needs to come off. So you just take this. Oh Lord. Eyeballs are getting old, so we gotta get a little closer here. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We can somehow find a way to pry that pin out. We need something really sharp. Let's try it from the other side. Ah, there it goes. So over here, you see this little notch here? You just stick a flathead in there and zip, and then out it goes. So you got your pin down in here. Let me back the camera up a little bit. See? That's the pin that was holding it in. So now, using a special technique, you just pull this thing up, just like that. Well, that wasn't really all that special, but then you take that off and you just, you know, toss that over there. Grab your new one. Now the new one really isn't a lot to it, because this is the button that pushes down, which is where that comes into play, and you can see it pushing down there. So you want to be careful when you slide it on there. Just like that. And I think we're done, but we need to test it. So, do you have the key?
I do.
Oh, okay.
Right there.
We won't turn it on because I'm not in the driver's seat. So.
Okay.
I think we need to step on the brake. And we are good to go. So that is it. So video took about 5 minutes to make. That's all you'll need to do this. And when you're done, just like before, you just pull this back up, stick a zip tie on the bottom end down there. That'll hold this leather up to make it look nice and pretty again, and voila, all done. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, comments, or a faster way to do this, then please share in the comments. Don't be stingy. Until next time, I'll see you later.